cold temperatures and strong winds have been around for a while, and they're going to stick around as we move into the rest of our weekend and the later part of our week. Looking at our Denison Tower Cam brought to us by Red River Auto Group, we aren't seeing very much out there right now. Just a little bit of shaking to the wind, but nothing really major. There is some mist out there, so if you're headed out this evening, make sure you're prepared with that. You might want to turn the windshield wipers on. And same thing in Sherman. We're actually seeing a little bit of those water droplets from the mist on our tower cam, but there's nothing really going on out there, just that slight little bit of mist. But it has turned out to be a gorgeous evening, although cold here in Texoma. The North Texas Regional Airport today, we did top out at 47 degrees. That is much cooler than our average temperature for this time of year, 63. But our low is much closer to our average than what we've been seeing the past couple days. But look at this record low set back in 1940, 19 degrees. So it was rather chilly that year, and I'm glad it's not quite that cold, although it may feel like that at times. Temperatures right now across the region, we're looking at 29 in Amarillo, 40 in Wichita Falls, 37 in Oklahoma City, 36 in Idabel. You're going to see very similar temperatures on the higher end of the 30s here in Texoma, 39 in Pauls Valley, 41 in Denison Sherman, and 37 in Atoka. So although it is cool out there, we do have some winds right now. Those winds are making it feel a little bit cooler. The winds, we're looking at about 10 miles an hour in Gainesville, 9 miles an hour in Ada, 5 miles an hour in Antlers. So when you combine those temperatures with those winds, that's where we're really going to see that temperatures feel in the lower 30s, pushing into the upper 20s. We're looking at 29 field temperature in Ada, 32 in Clayton, 35 in Bonham and Denison Sherman, 35 in Ardmore as well. So if you are headed out, make sure you're prepared. Go ahead and grab the jacket, the gloves, the scarf, if you don't like the cold weather, because it feels much colder out there than it really is. So I did mention some winter precip chances. Well, we're going to have a cold front make its way into most of Texoma tomorrow morning. That's where we're going to see a light chance of rain for the southeastern portions, and then that cold front is going to move through by Sunday afternoon. Still going to keep that rain chance to the southeastern portions, but we move to the northwest. That's where we're going to start to see a light rain to snow mixture. Still about 30% chance. And then on Sunday night, that's where we're going to see most of the area seeing either light snow or the light rain snow mixture. So do be prepared if you're going out tomorrow. Could get a little problemsome at times and cause a little bit of trouble. Although most of the area is not going to see very much. Most of the area on the southeast side, we're looking at a trace of just about half an inch. As you move further northwest, that's where we're going to see half an inch to an inch of snow. Although some areas could see more at times, but we aren't expecting this to cause any major problems. So tomorrow we're looking at a high of 40. Monday, a high of 42. And then as we move into the rest of the week, it's going to continue to be cold. We're looking at 42s, and then we're going to kind of warm up there for a little bit. I'm looking at temperatures in the 60s on Thursday. So we have this cold for the next couple of days, and then it's going to warm back up.
Okay, it's hard to believe that we're already talking about snow and kind of all that wintry weather. And I know certain departments like TxDOT are kind of staying on standby this weekend with brining. You know, it's a mixture of salt and water just to kind of stop some of those slick spots from happening before it really starts. So.
And if you have to walk any downstairs and there's anything, try to throw some salt on it, because that'll also help.
Okay, that will also help. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Megan. Stick with us. We'll be right back.